Hi, welcome back. This is Nick Egeram. In this series of videos, this is the first one, but I'm thinking to do a series of videos. I'm going to deal with geometry of circle. And a circle, ever since you started school, or even before you started school, so you already met this geometric figure. For example, when you ride a bicycle, for example. Then we have circle, there are the wheels. If you have cars or car, then you know that there is a circle there is also. A circle is the locus of all points in a plane equidistant from a given point called the center of the circle. As you can see here, A is the center of the circle. And you can see, as you can see, we have different points from the line, in the line. They are C and D are equidistant to the center. So if I'm going to draw a line here and here, they are equidistant, they are equal. Let's study a little bit the circle. We'll give you the GeoGebra now. Here, if we're going to write this circle now, for example, I will call this circle D. Then we usually an O with a point in the middle, and then we write D. So we're talking about this circle. And if I'm going to get to draw a line between these 2 points, C up to D, that goes through the center. Then I have the line, the line BC is now called the diameter. And the diameter is always divide the whole circle into 2, and then the half of it we call it semicircle. So semicircle. And the line and the arc BC is called the semicircle. Okay, so if I'm going to draw a line from A to a certain point here now, we will call it H. So the line AH is the radius. And the radius is always half the diameter, or the diameter is always double when compared to the radius. Okay, and then the arc BH, the arc BH is now your minor. Arc. How do we know when a minor arc is? Then we're talking about less than the semicircle. Semicircle, it is always half the circle. And then we're talking about minor arc, then we're talking about less than the semicircle. And even CH is also a minor circle, a minor arc. But the arc B CH is what we call the major arc. How do we know? When it is more than the semicircle. And then we have also another BCH. That's our major arc. We have the diameter, we have the semicircle, the radius, the minor arc, the major arc. The diameter is always from one side to the other side through the center. How about if I'm going to draw a line from another side to the other side, but it is not going through the center? Then we will have what we call the chord. So we have the line IJ is a chord, and the arc IJ is a minor chord. Let's have another. So if I have the line HK is a chord, but the arc HK, it is also a minor arc. I hope you learned from this introduction of circle. I will prepare for some examples, so that we can identify a circle. Let's see. Now we have a figure. It is taken from a book. I don't know the author of the book because I just found it in the internet. But it is called High School Geometry. I think they are using it in the US. Okay, here is our circle, and then it says that we're going to identify parts of this circle. Let's see. We're going to name the circle. So we have a round like that, and we usually use the center. So we have a circle K, like the gasoline station. Name a radius of the circle. So we have a radius A, radius, but I'm thinking of naming everything. So we have the line KN, KO, KP, KR, and KQ. Those are the radius, or radii. Name a chord of the circle. Have a chord. So we have a chord. We have NO. The line NO is a chord. And we have also RP. a very special chord, which is called diameter. Name a diameter of the circle. Already named it. The line RP or PR is called the diameter. This is from the same book. Find the radius and diameter. As you can see, circle A, this is a circle A, and the diameter is DF, and GP, the line GP, and DF, the lines. So we have questions here. If DF is equal to 10, if DF is equal to 10, what is DA? So DF is equal to 10, DA should be DA DA should be the 1/2 of it. So we have 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. If it's centimeter, then it is centimeter. If PA is equal to 7, PA is equal to 7, so PG is double. We have 14. 7 times 2. And then we have AG is equal to 12. Then we have LA. AG is equal to 12, and LA. As you can see here, AG is a radius, LA should be also a radius. So we have 12. I will put units here. Units, units, and units. The units of length is not specified. Okay, so I hope you understood. I'm going to have more examples on this introduction of geometry of circle. See you later.